Hey everyone, welcome back. This is day 3 here in Prague, and today we're exploring even more of this beautiful city. We're going to check out a few iconic places and just enjoy the vibe of Prague. So come along with us, relax, and let's see what day 3 has in store. So our first stop today is Port Chertovka, this really cute little canal tucked away in Prague. It's often called the Prague Venice, and you can totally see why. There's this old watermill turning slowly, which makes the place feel super atmospheric. And right beside it you'll spot the funny little gremlin figure that everyone looks for. It's such a cozy and picturesque spot. Next, we made our way to the Lenin Wall, one of the most colorful and iconic spots in Prague. It's covered in graffiti, messages of peace, Lenin quotes, and artwork from people all over the world. The wall keeps changing, so every time you visit it looks different. We quickly checked out the Churi Postovy statue, a quirky little stop on our way. Our next stop is Kampa Park, where you'll find these giant babies statues by Czech artist David Cherny. They look unusual, and that's exactly why they're iconic. It's a fun spot to walk around, take photos, and enjoy the park atmosphere. Next, we spotted the quirky yellow penguins. These cheerful little sculptures really bring a playful vibe to the area and make for a fun photo stop. Just a short walk from here is the photo spot Zur Karlsbrück, one of the best places to capture the iconic view of Charles Bridge and the Vltava River, perfect for photos or just soaking in the scenery. Just nearby, the river otters and ducks were swimming around the waters, adding to the peaceful charm of the park. It's such a nice spot to slow down, enjoy the scenery, and watch the little moments of city life unfold. Now we are standing right by the Ležertown Bridge Tower, one of the most impressive Gothic towers in Prague. Built in the 15th century, it once guarded the entrance to Charles Bridge from the Ležertown side. Just look at the details, the sculptures, the stonework, and the dramatic medieval vibe. This tower not only protected the city but also welcomed kings on their coronation route. Even if you don't climb it, just being here feels like stepping straight into history. Now we are walking across the famous Charles Bridge. This historic bridge is lined with stunning statues. Each one has its own story, some dating back centuries. Along the way, local artists are painting, sketching, and capturing the city's beauty, adding so much life and color to the walk. As we walk further, the Old Town Bridge Tower stands tall, a stunning Gothic landmark. The views from the bridge are incredible, with the Vltava River flowing beneath and Prague's red rooftops stretching out on either side. It's one of those places where history and creativity meet, and every step feels like walking through a living gallery. Nearby, the Church of St. Salvator catches your eye with its beautiful Baroque details. Just along the way, the Charles Bridge Museum shares the fascinating story of how this bridge was built and why it's so important to Prague. And right outside, you'll find the Charles IV statue, honoring the emperor who made so much of Prague's history possible. Every step here is full of history and incredible sights. First, we stopped to admire St. Clement Cathedral from the outside. Its beautiful architecture and details really catch your eye. From there, we continued along Karlovar Street, one of Prague's most charming and lively streets, filled with cute shops, cafes, and stunning historic buildings all around. Next, we reached Male Náměstí, a lovely little square with this beautiful historic fountain in the center. The streets around it are filled with stylish old buildings and cozy cafes, making it such a vibrant and charming spot to walk through. Now we've reached the heart of Prague, Old Town Square. Right in front of us is the stunning Church of Our Lady Before Tin, with its dramatic twin Gothic spires rising above everything. The whole square is buzzing with people, street life, cafes, and food stalls, all celebrating the history and charm of this amazing city. Here is one of Prague's biggest highlights, the astronomical clock. This thing is over 600 years old and still works, which is honestly mind-blowing. Every year, everyone gathers here to watch the little show, where the figures move and the apostles appear. It's like a medieval animation. It doesn't just tell the time, it also shows the position of the sun, moon, and even zodiac signs. It's fun, it's unique, and it's definitely something you shouldn't miss when you're in Prague. Here in Old Town Square, one of the first things you'll notice is the Jan Hus monument right at the center, dedicated to the Czech reformer who played a huge role in the country's history. And among these beautiful buildings is a former Gothic merchant house dating back to the 13th century, once owned by a powerful Prague townsman. Around the square, you'll find plenty of cafes, restaurants, and souvenir shops, making it a great place to wander and explore. Everywhere you look here, there's history, stories, and something amazing to see. Right here in Old Town Square is the house at the White Unicorn, a beautiful historic building with a Baroque facade and a little white unicorn that gives it its name. It was originally a medieval Gothic house, later rebuilt in the 17th and 18th centuries. Today, it's home to an art gallery, a perfect mix of history and modern art in one place. Next, we're at the Powder Tower, one of the original medieval city gates of Prague. It gets its name because it was once used to store gunpowder in the 17th century. With its dark Gothic design and detailed decorations, it looks like something straight out of a fairy tale, and it marks the historic entrance to Prague's old town. Look up! This is Man Hanging Out by David Hearn, and yes, that's Sigmund Freud casually hanging from a pole above the street. It's meant to symbolize his struggle with fear and the human mind. Next up is the Jerusalem Synagogue, and honestly, this place is stunning. That colorful facade with Moorish-style design and detailed patterns really stands out in Prague. It's not just beautiful, it's also one of the most important Jewish landmarks in the city. And we're wrapping up our Prague journey here at Jindiska Tower. This beautiful Gothic bell tower has such a cool vibe. It's a perfect place to slow down for a moment, take in the city, and end our Prague adventure on a really special note. Thanks for joining us on this amazing journey. If you're new here, be sure to check out our previous videos from the Prague series, castle tours and our other city travel videos. There's so much more to explore. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with friends. Until the next adventure, see you soon.